YouTube, welcome back to the channel. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Man, it's been a long time. It's been a long time, and I just got off of work right now, so I'm in my car right now waiting for it to warm up. Just to give you guys a quick update real fast, I did have the flu for about like a week and some change, so I was out of commission. I really couldn't go to work. I really couldn't function. So if you guys are wondering where I've been or been asking how I'm doing, how I haven't been active on social media or stuff like that, that is the reason. So but everything is good. I am getting over it, and my body seems to be rejecting like the remaining parts of it and stuff. I still got like mucus and all that, but I hope you guys are all doing well. The car's running, everything's fine, but I do have, you guys can take a look, I do have a check engine light on. So that is the knock sensor. So like I told you guys, when I have previously replaced the starter with Danny and Nate and Jay and all them, we replaced the starter, thought it was the issue because when I would shut the car off, the car wouldn't start. So I figured, hey, it's probably a starter issue. Well, lo and behold, it wasn't. So I know it's not the battery because the battery is 2 months old. And so that only leaves me to believe one more thing left, which is the alternator. So the alternator is in at Honda, so I will be picking it up this Friday. So might make a video about that, might not, who knows. But we'll be installing that as long as the alternator belt and the knock sensor. So everything should be good to go. We'll bang it out all in one video. But for today's video, like I said, just updating you guys. I did start this HelloFresh, and I got a lot of comments on people saying, yo, you should do a cooking video. So I'm gonna attempt to do that today. So I'm very excited about this HelloFresh. This isn't like a sponsor or anything like that, but it's just so easy to have all of the ingredients at your disposal anytime. You don't have to go to the store, you don't have to waste gas. I don't have to bother Lorenzo and tell him, hey. It's just super easy and something I would highly recommend for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home now, and then we'll probably go ahead and make a meal, just show you guys the process, how they ship the items and everything like that. So I will see you guys back at the house. All right, guys, so we are back home.
Hello.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
What are you guys working on?
A turkey, and today
turkey?
we're dressing it up as a football player.
Yeah, it has to
Nice.
be a disguise.
Oh, it's gotta be
So
this
the
guys.
farmer doesn't eat the turkey.
All right, guys, so we made it back home. I had to change real fast, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what the box looks like when they send you HelloFresh. So this is basically what the box looks like. It does have the packaging. Inside of the foil, you have these dry ice packs, which keep it cool. So really cool idea. Today's menu, they send you the instructions as well as the recipes, which is kind of cool. And they give you the food, yes. So I'll show you guys what's on the menu for this week. You can customize it to your own family or to how many portions you want. In this case, it'll just be for me and Lauren. And then with Lorenzo, we can feed him other things. So the first one is a firecracker meatball, which looks pretty good. Next is the Italian chicken and peppers sandwich. And then we have pork tenderloin with like a sauce or something. So out of these three, I think I'm gonna do the sandwich. So we're gonna put these up and focus on this one. Okay, so here is what the bag looks like. It comes in a brown paper bag, and it has all of the ingredients. And it has got some bread, bell pepper, your cheese, some seasonings, an onion. You got some, this some type of seasoned mayonnaise and sour cream. A lot of stuff. And potatoes here, garlic powder, and this looks like chicken stock. So yeah, comes with all the ingredients. Like I said, on the actual paper, you should have your ingredients list as well as, you know, like a description and all that. And then on the back side, it actually shows you step by step. So we're gonna start off by cutting all of the produce, but first we gotta wash all the stuff to make sure that, you know, all the stuff that's on there or whatever is clean and all that. Small bowl, combine the mayonnaise and sour cream and half of the garlic powder. So I'll go ahead and start making that right now. Drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium to high heat and add onions and the bell pepper. So I'm gonna get that going. Browns 5 to 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and transfer to a plate. And then we can start on the garlic baguettes, which I'm kind of excited for. So yeah, let's go ahead and start browning the vegetables. Smells really good as well. So We got about maybe 10 more minutes on those, and I might take these out right now. So. All right, guys, so we have the bread in the oven, and it's gonna be cooking pretty much for the next, I wanna say maybe 2 to 3 minutes, so we'll take that out soon. Next step is to cook the chicken. So while the baguettes are toasting, you wanna pat the chicken dry and use paper towels, salt and pepper, and then we'll go ahead and heat the pan up again to go ahead and start cooking the chicken. So we're pretty much done cooking everything. Next up is going to be assembling the plates. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple plates so that we can plate up the food. We got our bread out of the oven, nice and crispy, still very soft, so perfect. We do have our mozzarella or mozzarella, and chicken is pretty much done. I'm gonna cut the heat on this, and basically gonna start plating. You guys remember that ranch sauce that we made earlier? Go ahead and spread some of that on. Don't have to waste anything, so put that on there. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, take my chicken pepper mix with onions. Just put some of that on. here. We're gonna add some of the fries that we made. Could have cooked them longer, but it's okay. Meal from HelloFresh. Really didn't take that long. Took maybe about 25 minutes to prep everything and cook. All in all, very easy. Something you guys can do real fast. And yeah. All right, so here is how it looks. So you have the Italian seasoned chicken with the, I guess the ranch sauce, garlic bread, peppers, onions, and you also have the seasoned fries as well, which I felt like could be cooked a little bit longer, but actually not that bad. So for my drink, I have a ginger beer. There's no alcohol in here, it's just actual ginger. Really good at Costco. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what this tastes like. All right. Oof, that's good. This is strong too, so if you guys don't like ginger, then it's probably not for you. Like I said, the fries could have been cooked a little bit longer, but I'm just gonna bite into this sandwich and see how it is. That's really good. What do you think? You're like an 8 out of 10?
No,
7.9 out of 10.
it's like a Philly chicken.
It's like a chicken cheesesteak almost.
I like the bread.
The bread is really good. I do like the peppers and the onions as well. I would definitely eat this again.
I like these because they're fresh.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for the cooking video, guys. If you guys want to see more cooking videos like this, comment down below. I'm always looking for new videos to make. I really don't want to just focus on one thing. I kind of want to do a lot of other things for you guys just to keep it interesting. And I know over time the car stuff can get kind of boring, so I don't really want it to get stagnant. I want to film new things, do vlogs, and yeah, like I said, show you guys my family and bring you guys into my world, and not just the car aspect of it. Although I still will be doing car stuff, but I'll also be introducing videos like this. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for joining me cook today, and I will see you guys in the next video.